that your new book? New cups?
You try. You go push. Try this one, bud. Try this one right there. Oh, good job.
Yay.
Turn the page. Wow.
Do you want to open more presents?
Here you go, bud.
Here, Daddy's got one.
Oh, here you go. What do you think this is?
That is a cup. What do you think's in the wrapping paper?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
Is it maybe a book? Wow, look at this. It's a book.
It's a race car book. Read, yeah.
Want me to open this for you? Oh, look at that. It's a race car. No, you stay here, cute tush. Why don't we open this book? Or, what do you think this is, Will? Want to see this book?
Yeah.
What is this?
Wow.
Oh, wait, it's not just one book, buddy. It looks like it may be two books.